Ay, nauna na?
Okay. Okay guys, ayan. Palabas na tayo ng airport.
Ilang taon ka na dito? Magti 3 years.
At yan, salamat kay Madam dahil nakilala natin pagbaba natin ng eroplano. Natulungan tayo sa pag ano ng dollar, Hong Kong dollar. Grabe, pag first time ka pala talaga, wala kang kaalam-alam ganito pala, no? Thank you, Madam. Shoutout sa inyong mga pamilya dyan sa Pinas. Okay.
Just test drive a full car.
Chongqing Mansion.
Yes. It's the big building.
Even in the Philippines, there's a lot of
So many. Philippine,
Chinese,
Pakistani,
building,
yeah, Thailand.
highly urbanized, especially the is in city.
Sign on the Chongqing Mansion entrance. MOT. I will show you.
All right.
Maybe somebody so. Today is.
There's no stoplight.
Sorry.
There's no stoplight.
What? What's stoplight?
Hong Kong is also right-hand drive like Japan.
Yes.
They are driving right-hand.
And
Also in China.
I don't know how can say. In Hong Kong, the cities are different. Some is born in Hong Kong, like me. Another one is come from China, but the culture is different. Hong Kong people also he don't like the Chinese.
Come again?
Hong Kong people, I mean like me. Also he don't like the Chinese people.
Why?
The culture is different. You know
okay.
the China the government is Communist government.
Yeah.
Who like the Communist?
Yeah.
We like the Communist. Okay?
Before Hong Kong is colonized by British. Right?
Yes, British. Yes, by British.
You have
before 1997.
Yeah. You have British passport before you.
Yes,
Right?
I can go to. I just come back by London.
Until now you have.
So I have family in London.
Oh, okay.
I have 5 old sisters in London. But London is very boring. It's a boring city. And I family, my wife and my son in Hong Kong. And today is Saturday, right? The Sunday, we have so many the Filipino. You will see. You will understand.
So many Filipino here.
Yes, because of holiday.
Holiday.
Sunday holiday. Go to church and
Okay. That's why tomorrow we have doing our rally or events
yes,
in Bayanihan Sentry.
yes.
So many Filipinos going there to attend.
Hong Kong local people in Hong Kong, about 7 million citizens. 7 million.
7 million?
Yes, in Hong Kong, and then 20,000
Filipinos.
is Filipino. Work in Philippines, work in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, it seems like Metro Manila in Philippines,
I think it's better than
Capital.
Philippines.
because we have 10 million, I think 10 million. We have 10 million in Manila.
I don't know. Okay.
We have already overpopulated there.
The Hong Kong, I don't know how to say, the home assistant, about he fixed the salary is about 4,500.
4,500 managed.
1997. I think
30 plus.
his highness to I mean the combined, right? Highness to policeman, the inspector. But I think the tax is different.
Qingyuk Kowloon.
Yes. Qingyi is new territory. Your location, Chongqing Mansion is Kowloon.
In Kowloon. Kowloon is the capital of Hong Kong.
Sorry.
The center of Hong Kong, Kowloon.
Yes. Hong Kong is another side. It's Hong Kong Island.
Hong Kong is a very progressive country like Singapore.
Yes. Very like
The same.
the same. But Singapore is little bit totalitarian.
Little bit.
Little bit. Over the 10 o'clock you can't buy the alcohol. If you over the night time, over the 10 o'clock, you drink the alcohol in the street, you will have problem. In Hong Kong, before it's freedom country. Now it's before it's better. Now but it's okay. 尖沙咀 side 有 Chongqing Mansion, have the bar strip is over all night.
May ito, Singapore.
May.
Singapore, iba mga
Ayun. Singapore, you can eat chewing gum.
What?
Chewing gum, like bubble gum.
Yes, cannot.
But here, I saw in airport earlier,
Yeah.
I seen a sign that we cannot, it's prohibited tooting.
Yeah. Cannot drink the Coca-Cola.
Why?
I don't know. Cannot drink Coca-Cola. You can't buy Coca-Cola.
So you don't have Coca-Cola products, sir?
I don't know.
But 7-Eleven is selling
Not just the
Coca-Cola.
tax program. I think.
Maybe Coca-Cola because the owner of Coke is from America.
Yes, because he's from America. He don't like people, the citizen.
And Chinese made Americans.
Some of them are Chiang Mai Beach.
Chingma Bridge.
We are under the beach is by the subway.
Oh, so
In the most first one. Before the run down, over down is subway. It's beautiful beach.
Yes.
Very beautiful.
It looks like a bridge in America.
Yes, but he built up this over 20 years.
Ganda oh. Parang ano.
It's beautiful, I know that. Same of the America, the Golden Bridge.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Golden, yes.
Wow. This is Hong Kong, guys. Wow. It seems like more lights and the cities don't sleep
Yes. Before the
24 hours.
Yes, the economic is very good.
Before?
Yes.
Why now?
Because the government is strengthening. Before 1997 is British, you know.
Yeah.
Now is communist.
Communist.
Communist, yes.
Before you are colonized by British, it's better.
Yeah.
Now,
Now it's very bad because the China with the America.
you don't like China also.
No, I hate.
If ever you want to back British,
The DMA is same, but culture is different.
I think how many years? 50 years? The Hong Kong was colonized by British. I think
Yes, sure.
that's a long time.
No need 30 years. Now is changing.
It's a time of Bruce Lee.
Yes. Hong Kong is finished. It's gone. Everything is gone. Maybe 30 years later, the Philippines is better than Hong Kong.
But still, Hong Kong now is beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful country. Yes, it's beautiful. Hong Kong number one, the view in the Hong Kong Island, the peak, the nice view.
Nice view.
Nighttime the view
Yeah.
is very beautiful.
See it in Google, pictures in Baguio City. Seems like this uphill.
But I think Hong Kong have one thing is very good. It's very safe.
Yes.
Safety. Same of Japan and Singapore.
Yeah.
Very safety. So you overnight go to outside, no problem.
The people is
Already.
nice.
I don't know. Local people is okay. But from China, I'm not make sure.
Most
Yes.
Ganda.
tunnel. This is tunnel. Tunnel.
Daniel.
What we call this? This is tunnel.
This is tunnel.
Tunnel.
Tunnel. This is it's free or is if no charge and by built by home government.
I don't see many motorcycles
Yes, so many motorcycles.
in the downtown area.
Before now, because the COVID-19, right? The have the new job is take away. So many the Pakistani job is take away. Take away also is by the motorcycle. In the town, I mean, this is a new territory, okay? We go to town in Tsim Sha Tsui, you will see so many.
Wow.
Ganda.
Did you already travel the different nations or country?
Sorry,
Do you experience travel to another country?
everything is expensive for me. Everything expensive.
In Philippines, we have very beautiful beaches there.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I know that.
The Boracay Beach,
Yes, I know that.
that's a white sand.
Yes, my old brother, he a very long time ago, he told me,
That's a very good destination,
yes,
tourist spot.
it's different. Hong Kong is big city. It's city. The beautiful is a city view.
City view and or highly urbanized.
Yes. Yeah, the night time you go to mountain, see the Hong Kong Victoria Harbour. It's very beautiful.
The building is so nice. It's like it looks like uniform.
Yeah.
It's same building.
Really?
Yeah, when I saw up in airplane,
Oh, okay.
I saw the building like same.
Manila.
Yeah, no, much better than Manila.
Oh, okay.
Yan o, ang aking room. Higa nga ako. Subukan ko humiga ng ano ko. Sarap po. Grabe. Sarap ang kwarto ng room. Lambot ng mga unan. Lambot ng mga unan, hindi siya masyado malalaki. Ito yung medyo malaki, oh. Magkano kaya ito? Laki. Diba? Ganda, no? Sige guys, bye-bye. Happy mga kabayan, oh. Yung aking room. Yan ang CR, oh. Shit, guys. Ang tindi ng ating room. Ang ganda ng room, oh. Yan ang Chinese na naman. Ayan, oh. Chinese ang palabas. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ito yung bed ko nga pala. Ayan, oh. Ayan, CR, mayroong ano doon, oh. Tub. Tapos may itong bed ko, dalawa, oh. Ito yung hotel, oh. Hotel Golden Dragon, oh. Kanina pa ako walang password. Ay, walang password, walang internet. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda nitong hotel, mga kababayan. Oh. Nasa 6th floor lang tayo. Ang kalsada rin dyan. Ayan siya, oh. Ito yung katapat nating building. May mga motor dun sa baba, oh. Siguro dyan sa building na yan. Ito yung pinaka medyo mahirap-hirap na building na nakita ko. Siguro mga ano na yan, medyo mga empleyado nila dito yan. May ilog pala dun, oh. Casino rin yan, guys, oh. Legion Palace Hotel. Casino, Legion Palace Hotel, casino yan pala. Pinapaligiran tayo ng mga casino yan, oh. Parang simbahan. Grabe. Hindi na. Ano kaya ang ano nito? Mga port. Ang daming port nito. Ito yung nagustuhan ko rito. Yan, oh. Yan, port. Yan, oh. Yun din, may mga port din dun, dalawa. Tapos, ganun din dito. Mayroon din dalawa, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, grabe siya, oh. Cynthia tayo, no? CR, oh. Ha? Yan. Pero, yun, wala silang bidet, no? Yan, mga kawabayan. Ito walang laman. Ito mayroon. Nilabas ko na yun. Mga compliments yan ito. Sabon, baso. Ayan, no? Oh, meron pa rin itong dalawang charger. Kasi ito naman, oh, may bolt. May hangiran, no? Bolt. Oh, ito may mini ref. Yan o. Grabe. Kasi, hangir na. Ang luwag o. Ayan o. Night, mga kababayan, nakikita nyo naman ang itsura ng Macau sa ganitong oras. Oh.
Maliwanag, makulay,
Makulay, maliwanag ang buhay.
halatadong progresibo ang lugar nila.
Ayan guys, so nakikita nyo naman yung Macau. Grabe, no? Sarap maligo dyan, no?
Nakakaakit yan sa mata ng mga foreign investor ba?
Ayan no, yung Gucci, oh. Oo naman. Sa atin may mag-invest ba? Ayan.
Wala.
Ay, yung pinaganda na nga lang na Dolomite natin, eh.
Pinabayaan pa.
Masyado pa nilang anuhin, di ba? Ayan, Mandarin, no? Masyado pa nilang sinisilip-silip na